Alright guys, welcome back to Marshall Remodel. This is the Mad County Build Series, and on today's show we're going to be talking about smoke alarms, CO alarms, and heat alarms. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to install these, which is quick and easy once your wiring is done. The wiring gets done during the rough-in electrical, which I did. I'll explain to you the wire I used, but we'll show you how to hook these up. They all hook up pretty much exactly the same. And then we'll talk about where I'm required, where I'm at to put these. So the manufacturer of the alarms I chose was mainly because they could all work together. Here where I live, you're required in new construction to use a system that is hardwired with backup battery. So I have a combination of smoke alarm, CO smoke alarm, and then a heat alarm that I'm putting in my utility room. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is the pigtail that comes with each of these alarms. This is the smoke alarm, this is the smoke carbon dioxide combo, and then this is the heat alarm. So they all look very similar. But when you run your wires for the system, you want to run, I ran a 14-3, because there's going to be 3 wires. There's going to be your neutral, there's going to be your hot, and then there's going to be your wire which communicates. This red wire allows all these alarms to communicate to each other. So if one in an upstairs bedroom went off, they'd go off in the whole house. So there is no ground wire on these. So in your box, you can just hook all those together and hook them into your panel. Alright, so we have our neutral, our hot, and then this is our communication wire and your grounds. We don't need the grounds for these, so you can just tuck that up in there. So this is the pigtail that comes with all of these detectors. So now all we have to do is just plug these into the appropriate color, and then we can hang this up. Cut that out. So when you guys are hooking these up, whether it's the smoke alarm, the CO combo, or the heat alarm, they all hook up the same. Red to red, neutral, neutral, hot to hot. If you're using Wagos like I am here, you just want to make sure that you get that wire seated into the connector. So if you guys can see on this mounting plate, there's lots of different holes. So you should be able to find a combination that will match the screw locations on your box, whether you're replacing fire alarms or you're doing new construction. It shouldn't be a problem finding a combination that'll work for you. So once your mounting plate is in place, all you do is take that connector, which will only hook up one way, plug it into your alarm, and then slide it into the grooves and twist it, and you're good to go. So I have number 9 is my fire alarms, CO alarms, and heat. So number 9.
Certainly loud.
Green lights on. Alright guys, so you just go around, check to make sure you have the green light on all of them. That means you got power. And if you don't pull that battery backup tab out, these will chirp at you saying there's low battery. So we pretty much tested them all. They're all interlinked, working. But all you have to do is push and hold to test these. So if you noticed, I pushed one of these smoke alarms and the carbon monoxide alarm was saying fire. So it knew that it was getting a signal from the smoke alarm, not, you know, the other carbon monoxide. What's required here is a smoke alarm inside each bedroom. You want to keep it away from your supply or your return. I think it's 3 feet is what they recommend. So I got these inside every room. Then in this hallway, the hallway isn't too long, so I only have to have one. And I put it right here at the T. This is a smoke alarm CO combo outside all the bedrooms in this area. So that will cover this. And then I also, this will be the utility room. I also installed a heat alarm that's interlinked. So in case there was a fire with the furnace or anything like that, it would set that off, which is linked to all of them as well. There will be a door here going back to where the kids all sleep. So I put another combination right outside to kind of protect this door. So if I was ever to have a problem with my wood stove, you know, that smoke would hit the ceiling, come over, and hit this alarm in plenty of time for them to get out. And then you have to have them at the top and bottom of the stairs. So I got that covered. That's just a smoke alarm. And then downstairs, we have them in all the same general locations. So generally speaking, you need a smoke CO combo on each level. Smoke in every bedroom and outside the bedrooms. Usually in a hall or something like that is a good place to put them to protect that hallway if the, you know, the doors are closed. So that's going to be a wrap for the installation of all the smoke, CO, and heat alarms. It's pretty easy to do for new construction. They do make these systems that are all interlinked by Wi-Fi. So if you're doing like a remodel or something, you can definitely still get the same connected system. It just works a little bit differently than the hardwired one. So that's a wrap. We appreciate you guys watching. Leave your comments. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and we will catch you on the next video.